Match function returns the value from the row or column. If the lookup value is match, it returns the relative position of lookup value. This function has three arguments. In lookup value argument, enter the lookup value that you want to find the relative position of that lookup value. In lookup array, select the row or column from where you want to find the relative position of lookup value. In match type argument, type 1, 0 and -1. Click cancel. Active this cell. In Formulas tab, Function Library group, click Lookup and Reference arrow button. Click Match function. In Lookup Value box, click this cell reference. Actually, I want to return the employee ID of employee name Carl in this cell. Press Tab key. In Lookup Array box, select the cell reference range. Match function will look up the value in this range. Active this cell. Press Ctrl Shift down arrow. Press Tab key. In Match Type box, type 0. Click OK. Match function matches the exact value from this range and returns 9 because employee name Carl is in number 9. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 4, this is row 5, this is row 6, this is row 7, this is row 8 and this is row 9. You cannot find employee ID by using match function. You can use it by combining it with index function. By combining match function with an index function, you can find the employee ID of this employee name Carl. So match function returns the relative position of lookup value. It works only when you combine it with index function.